Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel Psychology Facts by Lara. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss part 2 of Solved GRE practice test, and this part contains MCQs of GRE Psychology practice test from 51 to 100. So without any further delay, let's move towards the MCQs.
Number 51. Which of the following visual experiences most attracts a newborn's gaze? The right option is a black and white pattern. Number 52. Edmundo got into an argument with a grocery clerk when he returned to his car after shopping. He discovered that he received a parking ticket. Edmundo furiously crumpled up the ticket and threw it on the ground. When his friend Terry told him to calm down, he screamed at her to mind her own business. Which of the following theorist best accounts for Edmundo's behavior? The right option is excitation transfer.
Number 53. Cleotha finds out that her roommate Leontine is a better pool player than she is. However, Cleotha reminds herself that she can play poker better than Leontine. So, Cleotha is engaging in which of the following? The right option is self-affirmation.
Number 54. According to the theory of cognitive development proposed by Lev Vygotsky, children learn best by working with adults and advanced peers. Number 55. According to Jean Piaget, young infants are in which stage of development? The right option is sensory motor. Number 56. Which of the following predictions is the best example of context-dependent memory? The right option is information is better recalled when learning and testing occur in the same room. Number 57. Fred was keenly interested in a new science fiction film and therefore was surprised when he arrived at the theater on opening night and found only a few people there. Fred's mistaken judgment of the popularity of the film illustrates the false consensus effect. Number 58. According to the evolutionary principle of kin selection, people are more likely to help someone who share their genes. Number 59. Manic episodes are the defining feature of which of the following disorder? Bipolar disorder. Number 60. Newlyweds Leila and Kate both have normal color vision, but Leila carries a recessive gene for color deficiency. Which of the following best describe the probabilities of color deficiencies in their children? Half of their sons will be color deficient, but none of their daughters will. Number 61. An individual suffering from the damage of Wernicke's area would be most likely to exhibit which of the following behavior? Impaired comprehension of language. As Wernicke area basically deals with the comprehension of language, so there would be impaired comprehension of language would be seen in an individual who is suffering from damage of Wernicke's area. Number 62. Young children from rudimentary making sentences that resemble telegrams even though they have never heard anyone make such utterances before. This is evidence of a universal grammar. Number 63. A fixed action pattern is defined as a response to a sign stimulus. Number 64. Based on research by Mary Ainsworth, which of the following best describe how an infant who has formed a secure maternal attachment would be expected to respond to the mother's leaving and or returning? So basically it's the research that was conducted by Mary Ainsworth, and he has explained about the secure maternal attachment, and according to this research how a child would show the response on mother's leaving and returning. The right option is upon the mother's return the infant would be pleased to see her and will go to her to be held. Number 65. Damaging the suprachiasmatic nucleus, that is known as SCN, of the hypothalamus in rats will interfere with biological clock that is synchronized with light. Number 66. Which of the following increases the power of a statistical test by changing it from two-tailed test to one-tailed test? Number 67. Aunt Sybil paid her first visit to her niece Angela when the baby was 3 months old, and Aunt Sybil enjoyed holding and playing with the baby. Aunt Sybil visited again when Angela was 9 months old. She was dismayed when the little girl took one look at her and burst into tears. Angela was exhibiting a normal emotional reaction that is called stranger anxiety, because stranger anxiety can be seen in the children in the age of 9 months old. Number 68. Which of the following therapeutic techniques can be explained by classical conditioning principles? Systematic desensitization and flooding comes under the category of classical conditioning principles. Number 69. Joy's therapists frequently exhibit genuineness and empathy toward joy. These elements are defining features of which of the following therapeutic approaches? Client-centered therapy shows these elements that genuineness, empathy, and unconditional positive regard is very important, that must be shown towards the client so that they can feel comfort in the counseling process and so that they can share every problem that they are facing. Number 70. According to evolutionary psychologists, which of the following is the primary reason that men tend to prefer as mates as younger and more attractive women? As this statement is basically related to evolutionary psychologists, to just think that how evolutionary psychologists are going to assess the thinking pattern of males. The right option here is these characteristics signal good health and ability to bear children. Number 71. Georgia sees a sign in the bathroom stall that says don't write on the walls under any circumstances. Georgia takes out her pen and begins to write all over the walls. According to social psychologists, Georgia is experiencing reactance. Number 72. Eric is frustrated with one of his co-workers who displays no regard for the rights of others, no remorse when he abuses, and repeated pattern of stealing equipments and petty cash. It is most likely that this co-worker has which of the following personality disorder? As these three symptoms, no regard, no remorse, and stealing equipment, uh, comes under the disorder, under the symptoms of antisocial personality disorder. So obviously that co-worker is suffering from antisocial personality disorder. Number 73. The tendency to attribute your successes to dispositional factors and your failures to situational factors is called self-serving bias. Number 74. Free will plays the greatest role in which of the following? Carl Rogers' Humanistic Psychology.
Number 75. The figure above illustrates an illusory contour.
Number 76. When studying moral development, Lawrence Kohlberg used moral dilemmas such as Hans' dilemma, in which a husband must decide whether to steal a drug to prolong his wife's life because they cannot afford the drug. A child who is in the conventional level of Kohlberg's theory will use which reasoning when faced with the Hans' dilemma? The right option is it is against the law to steal, so the husband should not steal the drug. As in the conventional level, the person is usually focused on laws and order and to maintain discipline in the society and to follow different laws and rules. So here in conventional level their response would be it is against the law to steal, so the husband should not steal that drug. Number 77. Which term is best used to describe the smallest meaningful unit of language? Morpheme. Number 78. According to Johnston and Haynes' multimode theory of attention, why is it dangerous to drive an automobile while talking on a cell phone? The right option is both talking and driving require attentional resources, and adequate attentional resources may not be allocated to driving. Number 79. The transformation of energy into electrical impulses is transduction. Number 80. As a color blindness test, Hector and his friends are asked to judge whether or not a red jelly bean is similar to the blue and green jelly beans in a jar. Hector's friends all state that red jelly bean is similar to the blue and green ones. Hector knows that it is not true, but he gives the same answer. Hector's behavior here is an example of which of the following concept? Public conformity. Here he showing the conformity because his other friends are stating the statement that blue and green ones are the same as red jelly bean. So here the right option is C. Number 81. The action potential is triggered at which of the following parts of neuron? Axon, hillock. Number 82. What function is served by a white myelin sheath that may cover an axon? It basically increases the speed of the electrical impulses. Number 83. Which of the following is the name given to the process of differentiating oneself from others by emphasizing one's uniqueness? The right option is individuation. Number 84. Gonadal hormones can act early in life to irreversibly determine a rat's mate selection through effects referred to as organizational. Basically, organizational effects of hormones causes the development of nervous system. Along with that, and they assign the separate developmental pathways such as masculinity and femininity. So the rat's mate selection is also dependent on the organizational effects of hormones. Number 85. Which of the following theories places the greatest emphasis on the effects of early childhood experiences on personality? Psychodynamic theorist or theories basically focuses on early childhood experiences and that affects the person's personality. Number 86. A neuron that receives excitation from other neuron and conduct impulses from its soma in the spinal cord to muscles or gland cells is called motor neuron. 87. The inability to recognize a once familiar face while still being able to accurately describe elements of the face is a characteristic symptom of prosopagnosia. Number 88. When Latoya was younger, she decided which ice cream cone was bigger by always picking the taller one. Now that she is 8 years old, she makes more accurate choices by considering the width and depth of the cone as well as its height. Latoya has learned to decentralize. Number 89. Of the following, which is the most plausible source of deficits such as inability to recognize faces, tendency to ignore the left half of the body, and difficulty in perceiving visual motions? Damage to different areas of brain. Number 90. Ability derived directly from previous experiences is known as crystallized intelligence. Number 91. Cohorts born in different decades have been found to differ in their personality characteristics during adolescence. Such findings most likely suggest that personality development is influenced by historical context in which it occurs. Number 92. Of several responses made to the same situation, those which are accompanied or closely followed by satisfaction to the animal will, other things will being equal be more firmly connected with the situation, those which are accompanied or closely followed by discomfort to the animal will, other things being equal have their connections with the situation with that situation weakened. This statement above was written by Edward Thorndike.
Questions number 93 to 97 refer to the following passage below, and this passage is when Dr. Elkin interviewed Michael and she found that his behavior is very strange and his thinking is paranoid and bizarre. Michael seemed to be having a conversation with his mother, who he insisted was sitting into the room with him, although she had died 2 years earlier. When Michael spoke to Dr. Elkin, he told her that the cashier at the local grocery store were intentionally contaminating the cereals and bottled water he customarily purchased. On one occasion, he harmed cashier as he picked up the telephone to do a price check. In explaining his action, Michael insisted that he heard his mother's voice over the loudspeaker telling him to hurt the cashier. So, shortly after the death of his mother, Michael quit college, terminated all his social relationships, and began to unhealthy diet consisting exclusively of sweetened cereals and water. Last year, Michael's father had taken him to see a psychiatrist who diagnosed Michael as having schizophrenia and recommended psychotherapy and antipsychotic medication, but Michael vehemently refused both. Michael's father indicated that Michael's grandfather also had been classified as exhibiting schizophrenia. So, which of the following best represents the Michael mental disorders according to diathesis stress model? And diathesis stress model states that any sort of stress triggers and genetic history basically leads towards the psychotic disorder, and as there was a stress death of his mother and along with there is a genetic history of schizophrenia, as it has mentioned here that his father his grandfather also had been classified as exhibiting schizophrenia, so these both factors has led to the diagnosis of schizophrenia. So the right option is option A, genetic history of schizophrenia, and according to diathesis model, the stress was death of his mother. So the first option, genetic history of schizophrenia, is the right answer. Number 94. Michael's false belief that the cashier were plotting against him is an example of delusion. Number 95. Michael reported that he harmed the cashier in response to an instruction from his dead mother. This phenomena is called a command hallucination. Number 96. Which section of a report would be most likely to include description of Michael's life experiences that are relevant to his mental disorder? This would be included in the psychosocial history. Number 97. In the case of Michael, which of the following statements is true regarding the positive and negative symptoms of schizophrenia? Here, the most appropriate and the correct one is hearing voices is a positive symptom, and hallucination. Basically, hallucination is a phenomena in which person hear different voices, and these are basically unrealistic and does not have any contact with reality. So hallucination comes under the category of positive symptoms of schizophrenia, so option A is the right option. Number 98. Which of the following approaches to assessment of intelligence is most consistent with theories of both Howard Gardner and Robert Sternberg? Increasing the emphasis on measuring G rather than specific abilities. Number 99. Personality disorders are characterized by which specific symptoms? Long-term maladaptive traits and behavior patterns. And the last one is 100. Which of the following are two competing theories of color vision that describe events that take place at different levels of nervous system? The right option is trichomatic versus opponent process. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to watch part 3 and part 4 of this video. Thank you.